leaf blower.
Yeah, I feel the heat off that. I'm really glad I moved that box of fireworks away. You doing okay there, Chris?
So hot.
Christopher!
What? Holy crap, that's hot. Look at those embers, that's cool.
Who turned on the light?
Oh God, the branches are giving underneath the weight.
Oh no. Oh no. Christopher. Oh no.
Ah!
Run, 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 run. I was like, we can't. All I can do is encourage. Happy
Say that.
New Year!
Wait, that's the turn.
You could never do this.
Can you all believe that they used to put real candles on Christmas trees?
Yeah, back in 1870.
That's so crazy. I watched when they like lit the strings and it like.
It's going to.
Yeah, it was fucking crazy. Like it was they had candles hanging just out everywhere. For, like, Christmas, but they had a candle that the string was covering the back.
He's catching on fire. Somebody help him.
He's okay.
They had strings.
You got an ember on your shirt, right on top. Yeah, I got a.
And the string
You got a few good burn spots.
the tree and just like fizzled out. And then burned across the tree. What? And fizzled out. Like, it's insane.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Alright, can you hold the top of it with the shovel?
Yeah. I don't know. It was crazy. I saw that. I feel like I saw the same video that you saw. Lighting a real. Okay.
Yeah, like that's so crazy that that's how they used to do that. And I was like, well, it makes sense. Like,
Yeah, now I definitely got some holes in the sweater. No.
Like
Yeah,
the
you-
humidity is so
What?
high.
It was burning my arm.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Chris.
I'm fine.
Catch on fire.
It was just one ember. I tried to spit on it. My mouth is cotton out.
You've been smoking weed?
Your fucking mouth is dry as the devil's dick.
Yeah.
Oh wait, is it that the devil's?
Okay, see if it'll stay up.
Whoop. Bring down the log, hold it in place.
Maybe one like right here.
Cool.
Did you see this one? Is this it? Yeah. This was it. This was the exact fucking video I saw. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until she gets back on.
Alright.
It's fucking bananas. It is bananas. No one in their right mind does this. And people are just sitting in church like not caring.
Cool.